We are a large-scale, modern, intelligent manufacturing enterprise, conveniently positioned to serve global partners like you. We specialize in a full range of paper packaging and paper-based products, including corrugated boards, corrugated cartons, paper art decorations, paper furniture, paper tubes, and high-end rigid boxes. Virtually all types of paper packaging you can envision, we are capable of producing. Our facility features extensive warehouses for raw materials and finished goods, supported by state-of-the-art fully automated production lines that ensure high efficiency and large-scale output. We operate a professional quality inspection center equipped with advanced testing equipment, implementing strict quality control throughout the entire production process. In addition, we own a dedicated fleet of more than 100 delivery trucks, enabling reliable and timely logistics support. Committed to high efficiency, superior quality, and stable capacity, we provide global customers with reliable, one-stop paper packaging solutions. We look forward to establishing long-term partnerships and creating mutual success with you.